Hello, so I wanted to talk you through 5 things for wardrobe maintenance that you can implement today that will help improve the overall appearance of your wardrobe. So first up, I would sort by style. So sort by jumpers, tops, skirts, dresses, etc. This gives you a real clear overview of everything that you've got in your wardrobe. Then within those sections, I would colour coordinate. So that would be number 2. Working through from light colours through to darks. Again, this gives you a really clear overview. You might realise that you've got a lot of one colour, and I keep all your prints and things together as well. Thirdly would be hangers. I actually think hangers are probably the most important thing. So first of all, make sure they're all facing the same way. And then secondly, you need to pick a hanger. So my preferred choice would be these here. They're plastic, they've got great loops for hanging your clothes on. Other than that, perhaps the felt ones that you can buy. Metal hangers are a big no-no. They leave lots of bumps and lumps in your shoulders. And I find wooden hangers, unless they're the same brand, they're really cumbersome. Fourthly would be lavender. I love to hang fresh lavender in my wardrobe. It smells really nice and it's also a natural moth deterrent. And then fifthly would be cedar blocks. So these are really thin. They just slot really easily into your knitwear. Again, they're a natural moth deterrent. They're great if you've got cashmere and you want to save it. I've had moths before and they're a nightmare. So those are my 5 things that you could do today. If you need any help sorting through your wardrobe, please get in touch. My email's down below. Thank you.